If you're thinking of buying yourself the new Z Fold 3, you probably want to know whether or not this device is worth that extra money or what makes it different. Now, here's how the Galaxy Z Fold 3 compares to its predecessor, Z Fold 2. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be released on Friday, August 27th in the US and September 6th in Nigeria. For interested buyers, the third generation Z Fold can be pre-ordered on Samsung's website and will be available for sale on August 27th at a starting price of $900K. In dollars, that's $1,799K. Now let's talk about the design and the display. Both Z Fold look similar, but Samsung has made the Z Fold 3 much tougher. It's water resistant, something the Z Fold 2 didn't offer. Combination of the Armor aluminum body, Gorilla outer glass, the new PET layer and an inner screen, which means the Z Fold 3 should be much resistant to scratches and drop. The Z Fold 3 is even slimmer and it's lighter than the Z Fold 2. While the cover display of the Z Fold 2 and 3 are very identical, the new Z Fold 3 refreshes at 120 Hz compared to the predecessor, which refreshes at 60 Hz. And for the inner panel, Samsung is using an under-display camera, allowing them to provide users with a full screen experience. Now let's talk about the performance. The Z Fold 2 featured a Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, whereas the Z Fold 3 features the year top of the line Snapdragon 888. This new chipset brings 25% better CPU processing, 35% improvement in graphics, and the Z Fold 3 comes with a 12GB RAM, 256 storage or 512 storage. Now let's move to camera specifications. Both the Z Fold 2 and 3 feature a rear setup consisting of 12MP ultra-wide, 12MP wide, and 12MP telephoto lens. It also comes with 2x zoom and the front camera is 10MP. Let's move on to the battery. Now, Samsung took a small step backwards according to the specification that was released earlier. The Z Fold 2 offered a 4500 mAh battery, but the new Z Fold 3 offers a 4400 mAh battery. Nevertheless, both phones support wireless charging and the new Z Fold 3 comes with a 25 watts wire charger. I know you're thinking these changes are not that much, but one thing you should know is that the new Z Fold 3 is compact, water resistant, is tougher and scratch proof, and has a better camera than the Z Fold 2. And it's even cheaper than the Z Fold 2 when it came out. So that's all guys, I hope you enjoyed the comparison. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and also subscribe. Bye guys.